What are children's inheritance rights in Islam? Have you ever wondered how inheritance works for children in Islam? It's a topic that holds great importance in ensuring fairness and justice within families. Let's break it down together. In Islam, the rights of children regarding inheritance are clearly outlined in the Quran. Specifically, Surah An-Nisa, which is chapter 4, verse 11, provides guidance on how estates should be divided among heirs. The basic principle is that a son receives twice as much as a daughter. For instance, if a deceased person leaves behind one son and two daughters, the estate is divided into for equal parts. The son would receive 2 parts, while each daughter would receive 1 part. This method ensures that sons and daughters both receive their rightful shares, but it also reflects the responsibilities expected of sons in supporting their families. Now, what happens if there are only daughters? If there is one daughter, she is entitled to half of the estate. If there are 2 or more daughters, they collectively receive 2/3 of the estate. After settling any debts and fulfilling any will, the remaining estate is then distributed to other heirs, like parents or spouses, according to fixed shares. Speaking of parents, they also have specific rights in inheritance. If the deceased has children, each parent typically receives 1/6 of the estate. If there are no children, the mother's share changes based on the presence of siblings. If there are siblings, she receives 1/6. If there are no siblings, her share increases to 1/3. It is essential to note that the Quran emphasizes the importance of giving daughters their fair share. This was a significant change from pre-Islamic customs, where women were often excluded from inheritance. Denying children their rightful shares is considered a serious wrongdoing, especially when it comes to minor daughters, as it can harm family relationships and violate their legal rights. Certain rules also apply to inheritance. For example, if a son is present, he blocks the inheritance rights of his grandchildren and siblings. This means that if a son exists, his siblings and their children do not inherit from the deceased. It is also important to mention that inheritance rights apply only if the parents were married according to Islamic law, known as nikah. Children born outside of such a marriage do not have inheritance rights under Islamic law. These guidelines ensure that children, both sons and daughters, receive a fair and divinely mandated portion of their deceased parents' estate. This system not only protects the financial security of children but also maintains harmony within families, reflecting the teachings of Islam on social and family relations.